Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Using Python Offline, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Python is a versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. While many developers use Python for online projects, it's equally capable of handling tasks offline. In this tutorial, we'll explore how Python can be used offline, including code examples and tips for maximizing your offline Python experience. Table of Contents. Installing Python offline. Setting up a Python environment. Running Python scripts offline. Offline package management. Working with data offline. Using offline libraries. Creating standalone executables. Offline documentation. Conclusion. Python's flexibility extends to offline use, making it a powerful tool for various applications without an internet connection. By following this tutorial, you've gained insight.